Namaste dear all, welcome once again to my YouTube channel Suhas Entertainments and Cultural Activities. So today I am continuing with the Dashavatara Stotra. So remaining three stotras are there. There is Krishna, Buddha and Kalki Avatara. So far we have covered seven avatars. That is Matsya Kurma Varaha, Narasimha Vamana, Parashurama and Rama. Seven avatars we have covered of Lord Sri Mahavishnu. All the stotras which appear in Vishnu Puranam and composed by Bhagavan Sri Vedavyasa. I have given the full lyrics and also the meanings in my earlier videos, and I also recited the stotras. So today I am going to recite these Krishna, Buddha and Kalki stotras, and then I will give the meanings also, and as usual full lyrics it will come on the YouTube screen. Those interested, please take snapshot and mug up, and also please share my videos so that everybody can watch, learn and enjoy. And apart from this, one has to keep chanting this every day, morning and evening, to reap wonderful auspicious good benefits. So that is it, my dear friends. Here I go. First we will take up Krishna Avatara Stotra, that is 8th avatar of Lord Sri Mahavishnu Stotra, which appears in Vishnu Puranam, composed by Bhagavan Sri Vedavyasa. These are all very simple and brilliant Sanskrit, very easy to understand. Anyway, I'll deliver the verbatim meanings also. Here I go. Krishna Avatara Stotra. Krishnananta Krupa Jaladhe Kamsare Kamalesha Hare. Krishnananta Krupa Jaladhe Kamsare Kamalesha Hare. Kadiyamardana Krishna Namo Bhaktante Paripalayamam. Kadiyamardana Krishna Namo Bhaktante Paripalayamam. Fantastic, isn't it, my dear friends? So what it means? Krishnananta Krupa Jaladhe. Krishna plus Ananta. Krishna is Lord Sri Krishna. Ananta means the infinite one. The Paramatma is the infinite one. He extends into the entire universe. So he is infinite. Krishna Ananta Krupa Jaladhe. He is an ocean of mercy. Very easy to understand. And then moving on. Kamsare is the enemy of Kamsa. Enemy of all the wicked people. He will kill the wicked and protect the righteous ones. Kamsare Kamalesha Hare. Kamala means Shri or Lakshmi. So Kamalesha is the divine consort of Mahalakshmi, that is Shri Mahavishnu or Krishna. Kamsare Kamalesha Hare. Krishnananta Krupa Jaladhe. Kamsare Kamalesha Hare. Fantastic. If you understand the meaning, it will be very easy to mug up these stotras. Fantastic. So moving on. Kaliyamardana Krishna Namo Bhaktante Paripalayamam. Kaliya means you know the story of Kalingamardana. So that is referred to Kalingasura, whom Lord Shri Krishna killed. You all know the story. So Kaliyamardana Krishna Namo Bhaktante Paripalayamam. I am your devotee, please protect me. So that is a fantastic meaning, very simple and brilliant poetry, melodious. We can enjoy music, devotion, and brilliant poetry, brilliant yet simple poetry, whatnot, my dear friends. So we'll recite this 8th Avatara Stotra again. Krishnananta Krupa Jaladhe Kamsare Kamalesha Hare. Kaliyamardana Krishna Namo Bhaktante Paripalayamam. Fantastic, isn't it, my dear friends? So we'll move on to 9th Avatara now, that is Buddha Avatara. This Buddha, as I told you, this is not the Buddha which we studied in history, not at all that story. This is an entirely different story and fact which appears in Srimad Bhagavatam. So please remember, this Buddha Avatara, we have to study the Bhagavatam to know more about the real Buddha Avatara. So here I go, 9th Avatara Stotra. 9th Avatara Stotra is like this. Tripuramarjana Vijay Rupa Dhanavasati Manapahara. Tripura Vijayamardana Rupa Dhanavasati Manapahara. Tripura Vijayamardana Rupa Buddhagnaya cha Buddhanamo Bhaktante Paripalayamam. Buddhagnaya cha Buddhanamo Bhaktante Paripalayamam. So I delivered this story about the Buddha, the real Buddha, who appears in Srimad Bhagavatam in my upcoming video. So we will now move on to the 10th Avatara, that is Kalki Avatara. Fantastic stotra goes like this. Shishta Janavana Dushtahara. Shishta Janavana Dushtahara. कल्कि रूप परिपालनमो शिष्टजनावन दुष्टहर खगतुरगोत्तम वाहनते शिष्टजनावन दुष्टहर खगतुरगोत्तम वाहनते कल्कि रूप परिपालनमो भक्तन्ते परिपालय माम. So शिष्टजनावना, one who protects the righteous ones. Shishta means righteous. The righteous people he protects. Avana is to protect. Avitum and Patum, these are all synonyms. Avana is to protect. Shishta Janavana Dushtahara. You just observe the rhyming words now. Shishta Janavana Dushtahara. Fantastic, brilliant poetry, very simple, very meaningful. Shishta Janavana Dushtahara. Dushtahara means one who kills the wicked people. Shishta Janavana means one who protects the righteous ones. So that is it. Simple and brilliant. So moving on, Khagaturagotama Vahanate. Kalki is said to be riding a white horse, the Kalki Avatara, the 10th Avatara. And this horse, wonderful horse, is capable of flying in the sky also. Khagaturagotama Vahanate. Khaga means when it flies in the sky. Khagaturagotturga means horse. Khagaturagotama Vahanate. Shittajanavan Dushtahara. Khagaturagotama Vahanate. Kalki Rupa Paripalanamo Bhaktante Paripalayamam. O Lord Sri Mahavishnu, in the form of Kalki Rupa Paripalayamam. So protect me, Bhaktante Paripalayamam. So fantastic, brilliant poetry, isn't it, my dear friends? So we'll come all together again and chant this, all the three stotras, Krishna, Buddha and Kalki again, and then wrap up this video. कृष्णानंत कृपा जलधे कंसारे कमलेश हरे कृष्णानंत कृपा जलधे कंसारे कमलेश हरे काळीय मर्दन कृष्ण नमो भक्तन्ते परिपालय मां काळीय मर्दन कृष्ण नमो भक्तन्ते परिपालय मां. Moving on to the 9th avatara, Buddha avatara. दानवसतिमानापहरा त्रिपुर विजयमर्दन रूप दानवसतिमानापहरा त्रिपुर विजयमर्दन रूप बुद्धज्ञाय च बौद्ध नमो भक्तन्ते परिपालय मां बुद्धज्ञाय च बौद्ध नमो भक्तन्ते परिपालय मां. 10th अवतार now, Kalki अवतार. शिष्टजनावन दुष्टहर खगतुरगोत्तम वाहनते शिष्टजनावन दुष्टहर खगतुरगोत्तम वाहनते कल्कि रूप परिपालनमो भक्तन्ते परिपालय मां. Fantastic, isn't it, my dear friends? All these stotras, even children can enjoy and also elders also can enjoy. We can enjoy by reciting. Once we start reciting, then only we will know the joy of chanting or reciting these fantastic stotras. So daily we have to practice morning and evening. So that will give us wonderful benefits to lead a happy and joyous life. So in the next upcoming video, I will take up the Jayadeva Kavi's Dashavatara Stotra, that is beginning lines of Pralaya Payodhi Jale, etc. This is also highly popular. We will deal with the Dashavatara Stotra composed by Jayadeva in my upcoming video. All the 10 stotras again we will take up. There is a different version composed by Jayadeva Mahakavi. This version was composed by Maharshi Vedavyasa. So until then, bye for now. This is Suhas Devi signing off for Suhas Brahmins Matrimony, Jayanagar, Bangalore 11. As usual, all those Brahmins worldwide who wish to avail my matrimony services for a nominal cost, please catch me direct on 8762331815. My number is coming on the YouTube screen. Thank you. Hari Om Sati Jai Shri Ram. Namaste.